Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lyd and this is SaveWithLyd. And this channel I made so that way I can help you guys learn how to coupon with me. I am a beginner and I'm on this journey as well. Thank you for taking the time watching my video. If you could please like and subscribe, it's well appreciated. I started couponing so that way I could save my family money and so that we'd be able to save for trips. I'm also going to be including on this channel some cheap ways to vacation and a little bit of photography. In this video I'm making today, I'm going to be taking a trip to Family Dollar and doing 2 transactions with some digital coupons that everybody can do, even beginners. You don't have to know much, just go ahead and follow the steps that I'm going to be showing in this video. The first thing you're going to want to do is download the Family Dollar app. Once you have this, go ahead and follow these next steps. I'm going to be showing you a screen recording on my phone of me adding in the coupons that we're going to be using in the transaction. Now, if you only have one Family Dollar account, you're going to want to make sure you know which transaction you're going to want to do. And this is only because each Family Dollar account or coupon account is only going to have one coupon per account. So you're not going to be able to do multiples of the same unless you create multiple accounts. Here I'm just walking through Family Dollar. I'm going to go to the back to go ahead and pick up some detergents to go ahead and get started on this first transaction. And this store really didn't have much, so I went ahead and looked around, and I did notice the save $3 off with your smart coupon, which we did add into our cart. The first thing that we're going to start off is with this Tide Pods. It is $3 off, which is going to come out to $1.95. We're going to go ahead and throw that in our cart. Next, we're going to go ahead and get ourselves a Tide liquid detergent. They're marked at $5.50, but they are on sale for $4.95 with the $3 off coupon as well, which is going to come out to $1.95 for the bottle. Next, I'm going to be heading to the Gain section, and I'm going to be looking at this Gain box of powder detergent. It does have the $7 of coupons in it, which is going to be good for another transaction. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my cart, and we should have those 3 things: the Gain, the have bottle, and the Tide Pod so far. Now I'm going to be heading down the aisle with the dish, and we're going to be looking at the Palmolive soap, and they are on sale for $2, and we have a $1 off coupon. You could get any of these 3 choices. I'm going to go ahead and go with the Soft Touch. Next, we're going to be heading down the Febreze aisle, and you could go ahead and pick any of the 2 bottles you see down here, which are $3. I'm going to go ahead and go with the Gain ones. I'm going to go ahead and choose the green bottle and the pink bottle, and I'm going to go ahead and put these 2 in my cart. Next, I'm going to be heading back to the Gain aisle, and we're going to go ahead and grab this Gain softener, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in my cart. So all in total that we're going to have in our cart is going to be the Gain liquid softener, the Gain powder, the Tide liquid, the 2 Febreze spray bottles, the Tide Pods, and our Palmolive dish soap. So the Gain was $5, and we have a $2 off coupon for the softener. The powder was $5 as well, and we have another $2 off coupon. For the Tide liquid, it's on sale for $4.95, and then we have a $3 off coupon. For the air fresheners, it's buy 2 for $3. You get $3 off. The Palmolive was on sale for $2 with the $1 off, and the pods were $4.95 with $3 off. So we're going to go ahead and check out now. Don't forget to put your number in the keypad. So you can see here my total is $30.20. So that's good because we needed our total to be above $25 before taxes. So you can see everything I got here. We got a total of 7 items. And here's a look at my receipt. So the total before taxes was $8.90. After taxes, $9.63. That's a pretty good savings. So we're going to be looking at the top at the Gain liquid. And it was $5 with a $2 off coupon for this bottle. Next, we're going to be going ahead and looking at the Gain powder detergent, which is this box, and that was $5 with the $2 off coupon. Next is the Tide liquid, which is this bottle, which was $4.95 with the $3 off coupon. Next, we have our air fresheners, which were $3 each. Then I'm going to be going ahead and picking up the Palmolive, which was for $2 with a $1 off coupon. Then I'm going to be picking up the other Febreze bottle. When you buy 2, you get $3 off, so it's 3 for the 2. And last on here is the Tide Pods with Downy freshener in it, which was $4.95. And we got a $3 off coupon. Lastly was our $5 off $25, which at the end left us with $8.90 before taxes. Next, I'm heading to another Family Dollar, which is pretty close to my house as well. And at this one, I feel like the transaction was a lot better. This one, I only spent $6.55 in total. Before taxes, it was $6.05. I'm going to go ahead and grab me a cart. I did have a little trouble getting this out, but I did get it. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and head inside. And the first thing you're going to want to do when you go inside is you're going to want to pick up an ad. This always helps. So you can go ahead and make sure that everything that you're wanting to get is on sale, because sometimes they don't mark the shelves and it makes it a little more difficult for you. We're going to go ahead and head back to the back and take a look at the detergent again. And this transaction, I'm going to be getting 2 of the Tides again, only because it's such a good value and you're saving a lot when you do get these. This store is a little cleaner than the last one I was at. It is also a newer store, so of course it's going to look a little better. So we're back here and I'm just looking for some deals, see if there's anything extra that I missed at the first store. We're going to go ahead and head towards the Tide bottles. And I did notice that they do have the Oxy here, which is on sale. A really good sale. It's usually $5, but this was on sale today for $3.95 with a $2 off coupon. And in the ad here, it does show, let me see if I can find it, right here on the back, $3.95 with a $2 off $1.95. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and also get a Tide bottle, the ones that are on sale again, for $4.95, and then they have that $3 off coupon. Go ahead and put that in my cart. And as you can see on the ad here, it is on sale and you do get that $3 off coupon. So next, we're going to go ahead and get the Tide Pods. I can't reach those, so I'm going to go ahead and go over to this section. And I'm going to go ahead and grab the one with Oxy on it, since I did already grab the Downy at the other one. But it's up to you which one you want to go ahead and get. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my cart as well. And again, that one does have the $3 off, so it's going to come out to $1.95. So now I'm going to go ahead and head towards the dish soap. And I'm going to go ahead and grab the Palmolive like I did in the first transaction, because that one is a good deal. It's on sale for $2 and you get that $1 off coupon. And I'm going to go ahead and go into the aisle with the dish soap, and I am going to get one of the 3 choices that they have here. They have the blue bottle, the yellow bottle, or the clear. I'm going to go ahead and grab the pure clear. And we're going to go ahead and put that in our cart. Next, we're going to go ahead and head over to the Febreze section. And I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of the Febreze bottles again. This time I'm going to grab 2 different ones. This Tide one, oh my god, smells so good. Then I'm going to grab the Febreze air fresheners for the car. We do have a coupon for these as well in our app. I'm going to go ahead and just fix my cart here so that way you're going to be able to see what all we have in our cart. And we're going to be ready to go to checkout. So you have the 2 Febreze car, the 2 Febreze bottles, the Tide, the Oxy, the Palmolive, and the Tide Pods. So that's a lot of things in our cart. So we're going to go ahead and head out to the checkout. So we have the $3 off the Tide liquid, the $2 off the Oxy, the Febreze 2 air fresheners, $3 off, the Palmolive, $1 off, the car vents, we have a $3 off the 2, and the Tide Pods, we also have a $3 off coupon. Don't forget to go ahead and put your number in on the keypad, and then your transaction should come out to a total of $28.20 before the coupons. After coupons, you're going to be paying a total of $6.55. Wow, that's a big savings. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our receipt here. And like I did say, we are paying $6.05 before taxes, and with taxes it comes out to $6.55. We're going to take a look at the first item, which is our Gain liquid detergent. And that is $5, and we had the coupon for $2 off. Then we're going to go ahead and pick up the Oxy, which was on sale for $3.95 with the $2 off coupon. And next is the Febreze with Tide, which is this one. And then the Febreze Hawaiian Aloha. And these were on sale to get the $3 off. Next is the Palmolive, which was $2 with $1 off. And then we have our Tide Pods, which was $4.95 with the $3 off. And the 2 car fresheners that were ringing up for $2.40 with a $3 off of 2. Our total came out to $6.55 after taxes. Thanks for watching my video, and hopefully you get to save with Lyd. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that way you could get updates whenever I upload a new video. Thank y'all.